If you've ever scrolled through Instagram and wondered if you could actually live in a 200 square foot tiny home, then TinyFest is the place where those dreams can get a reality check. This year, the event took over at the OC Fair and Event Center in Costa Mesa, which is situated about halfway between Los Angeles and San Diego. It's a 2-day event from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. each of the 2 days, where a community of people trying to figure out a more efficient and cost-effective way to live came together to learn about innovations in the industry. If you're planning for the next year, then follow TinyFest on social media. They usually offer an early bird deal where you can snag tickets for about $15, which is half the normal price. Toss in another $15 for parking, and it's a pretty affordable day of exploration and fun. In case you're wondering why tiny living has become increasingly popular in recent years, it's because it's more accepted among various state and local governments, especially in California, to accept tiny living. As of early 2026, California specifically has pushed through even more deregulation for accessory dwelling units or ADUs. We're seeing new laws that force local cities to approve permits faster, sometimes in as little as 15 days. Because the legal red tape is finally disappearing, most of the builders we saw today are California-based, and therefore primarily targeting the California market. They're designing homes specifically to meet these new codes. Whether you're looking for a granny flat for a family member or a rental property to offset a high mortgage, the tiny home is officially moving from a niche hobby to a more mainstream housing solution. The layout of the Expo is super intuitive. Everything is organized in a grid-like pattern with 4 main rows of homes, so you can zigzag your way throughout without missing anything. Right at the entrance, you'll find technical vendors, companies like Bluetti showing off massive solar batteries and off-grid power solutions, so it's not just homes that you'll see. Once you get past all the vendors selling these types of non-home items, you'll hit the homes themselves. There were dozens of builders on site, and the best part is that the whole experience is very interactive. You aren't just looking through a window, you're climbing lofts, sitting on built-in benches, testing cabinet latches, and talking to the various representatives. One thing that really surprised me was the lack of sales pressure. I expected representatives to be hovering over with clipboards, but it's actually quite the opposite. The event is very well attended, so they're usually busy answering questions, which gives you freedom to explore at your own pace. The homes themselves are masterclasses in efficiency. Most are under 250 square feet, but they use various optimizations to keep you from feeling claustrophobic. Almost every builder utilized windows on all 4 sides. When you have that much natural light pouring in, the walls seem further away from one another than they actually are. In terms of other optimizations, I saw one builder put high-duty wheels under an L-shaped counter so you could prep dinner, but then literally roll the counter to the other side of the room to use it as a standing desk. A common design technique we also saw was the use of Murphy beds, which were tucked into the wall during the day, but then fold down at night to act as the bed. Additionally, the combo washer/dryer units are standard now even in non-tiny homes, but we definitely saw it in the tiny homes to reduce the footprint of appliances. If you're coming in for the whole day, keep in mind that the food options are also tiny themselves. There are only a few vendors near the van life section, so consider relying on food elsewhere, especially if you arrive at the Expo during lunchtime. TinyFest isn't just about visiting tiny homes though. The organizers also set up indoor seating for industry experts to talk about everything from zoning laws to gray water systems. It's a great way to take a break, get out of the sun, and actually learn the how-to behind the lifestyle. So is TinyFest worth it? Absolutely, in my opinion. Whether you're a serious buyer or just curious about minimalism, seeing these builds in person is the only way to know if the lifestyle fits you. I'm giving TinyFest 2026 a letter grade of a solid A. It's organized, affordable, and if you book early, it's affordable if you book early. It also offers a level of access to builders that you just can't get online. So if you're in Southern California around April of next year, then don't miss it. If you enjoyed this video, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel, Lost in a Good Place. Thanks for watching.